How to fix Snapchat audio or music. Hello guys, so if you have any problem with the audio or music in Snapchat, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then on this page you would find all the apps that you have. Scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it, and then click on the storage option, click on clear cache, go back and click on force stop, and then click on data usage. Enable all these options right here and go back, click on this open by default, click on open supported links in this app, choose ask every time like this. And now the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store, search for Snapchat and click update. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.